Hello everyone, my name is Nilotpal Tripathi. I am pursuing BTech degree in Civil Engineering discipline from Dayalbagh Education Institute, Agra. Currently, I am in third year. This video is made by me as part of final assignment of Seismic Design course from Skyfi Labs. Now I would be performing seismic design and do response spectrum and time history analysis. For this, I have opened the previous assignment which I had submitted. Now I would be defining the seismic load. For that, go to define, select load patterns, type the name as seismic, select the type as seismic. From here, select the IS 1893-2002 and click on add new load. Now click, as we can see, the load pattern has been added. Now click on modify lateral load. Here we would be only analyzing in the x and y direction as per the problem. So deselect the remaining options. From the IS code, select the seismic value as 0.1 for the Bangalore region. The site type as zone 2. The importance factor is 1 since it is a residential building, and response reduction factor is 3. From the table in IS code, for ordinary RC moment resisting frame, click on OK and then click on OK again. Now we would define the load combination. Go to define, go to load combinations. We can see the load combinations have already been defined, so click on OK. Since the seismic load is assigned to the entire building, so we do not need to assign the load individually to the elements. Now go to analyze, set load cases to run. Here we would only be running the seismic load, live load and dead load. So click on the wind load, select run do not run case and click on run now. The analysis of the model has started, as you can see the progress in the left bottom of the screen. The seismic analysis is complete and we can see the various values on right clicking. Now we will run the design. Go to design option, concrete frame design, view revise preferences. Make sure it is selected IS 456-2000. Click on OK. Go to design again. Go to concrete frame design. Click on start design check. The design has been started. Progress can be seen at the top bottom of the screen. We can see the design has been done. Click on the design again. Go to the concrete frame and show members, all members passed. We can see that all concrete frames have passed the design check. Click on OK. Now I begin with response spectrum analysis. For that check that seismic load is already defined. Go to the define, load patterns. Seismic load is already present. Click on OK. Now we will define the response spectrum function. Go to define again. From functions, select response spectrum. Choose the function type as IS 1893-2002. Now click on add new function. Give the function name as response spectrum. Select the seismic zone as 0.1 as per the IS code and soil type as 2. Also the function damping ratio is 0.05. Click on OK. Click on OK again. Now from display option, check the units of acceleration. Click on display. Actually, go to the options, then select display units. From here, we can see the acceleration units are millimeter per second square. So click on OK. Now we will define the load case. So go to define, go to load cases. Here, click on add new case. Give the load case name as response spectrum. Select the load case type as response spectrum. Now click on add. Select the type as acceleration. The load name is given as U1. Select the function as response spectrum and the scale factor is calculated as per the formula taught in the tutorial. The value is 1661633.5. Click on add again. The first load is for x-axis and the second is for y-axis. Name it as U2. Select the function as response spectrum. The scale factor is same as above, below as previous. Click on add. Keep all other values same. Click on OK. Then click on OK again. Now analyze it. Go to analyze. Set load cases to run. Here we will only run for seismic case and response spectrum case. So rest all will be your do not run. Click on run now. The analysis of a structure has begun. It will take some time. Response can be seen at top left bottom of the screen. The analysis of structure is complete. We can see the different values by hovering our cursor over the 3D view. Now we will do the design. Go to design, select concrete frame design, click on start design check. The design has started. It will take some time. Progress can be seen in bottom left of the screen. We see that a message is displayed which shows that 264 concrete frames have failed. So we can do the reiteration again. Click on yes. The reiteration has again started. Now the concrete design in reiteration has started. From here we can see that in second iteration the number of frames which have to be corrected has come less. So by doing the 3 to 4 times reiteration we can reduce the number of concrete frames of failing. For now I click on no for the reinforcement detailing of the building has been done. We can see the various reinforcement by zooming in and out. From the reports tab we can generate the report of the project. Click on reports tab, click on summary report. The summary report will be generated. It is an abridged version of the complete report which gives the various values of load cases and the various reinforcement. So in this way I have completed the response spectrum design. Now I will do the time history analysis. For that we have to check that seismic load is there. So go to define tab, go to the load patterns. we can see that seismic load is added. So click on it, modify lateral load. In this analysis, we are only going to analyze in X direction. So unselect Y, click on OK and click on OK again. Now we will define the time history function. For that, go to define, select functions. From there, select time history. From here, we will choose function type to add as from file. Then click on add new function. The function is given the name as time history. Now select the file. We would be selecting the Gujarat earthquake file from our system. Click on open. The file has been added as we can see. The value at echo intervals is 0.02. Here headers line to skip would place 10. Prefer characters as 0 and number of points per line as 1. Click on fix format and select number of characters as 10. After that, click on OK. Click on OK again. After defining time history function, we will define the load cases. Go to define, go to load cases, go to add new case, name it as time history. Select the load case type as time history. Then click on load supplied, click on add. The load pattern is taken as acceleration. Give it as U1. The scale factor is calculated as per the formula which we have been told in the tutorial. The value is 1663.5. Here we only require one load because we are only analyzing the X direction, not in Y direction. Keep all other parameters same. Now click on OK. The time history function has been defined. Click on OK. Now we will run the analysis. Go to the Analyze tab. Select Set Load Cases to run. Here we will run only the seismic and the time history. So do not run the response spectrum case. Click on Run Do Not case. Now click on Run Now. The analysis of the building has started, as you can see. The analysis of the building is complete and we can see the different values by hovering our mouse over the 3D view. Now we will start the design. Click on Design, select Concrete Frame, go to Start Design Check. The design has started. Progress can be noted in top left corner of the screen. We can see that after analysis 47 frames have failed. So we will reiterate the design. Click on Yes. The analysis and reiteration has again started. we can see the number of members has now reduced to 35. We will do other iteration again. After doing 4 to 5 analysis, we can see that all concrete frames have passed the design check. Click on OK. Now, from the reports tab, we can generate the report. There is two types of report, project report and summary report. Click on the summary report. The summary report can be generated. Since this is a abridged version, so this is a abridged version of our file. Since this is our evaluation version, so we do not get the feature of downloading this. Hence, in this manner, I have completed the seismic design for the G+23 building, which is designed in Bangalore for both response spectrum as well as time history analysis. Thank you very much.